So 1 minus 7 is equal to minus 6. Multiply 1 minus 7 is equal to minus 6. Now minus 6 multiply minus 6 and is equal to plus 36, right? But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? So PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, second priority is exponents, and third priority is multiplication and division. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction, right? Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, and also addition and subtraction both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question, here we have one subtraction, here multiplication, and here we have one parenthesis. So according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve this parenthesis. So 1 minus 7. Now 1 minus 7 is equal to minus 6. Multiply minus 6, right? Now here we have one multiplication and here we have subtraction. So first we have to solve multiplication. So minus 6, 7 multiply minus 6 is equal to plus 42, right? So 1 plus 42. So 1 plus 42 is equal to 43. Right? So the correct answer is 43. If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel. And also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.